How to delete Temu account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can delete Temu account. For this, open up Temu app on your device, or you can also open up any web browser and head over to temu.com. Once you get here, make sure to sign into your account. Now, if for some reason you want to delete your Temu account, then follow these simple steps. Step 1 is to tap on the U option at the bottom of your screen. Once you tap here, you want to tap on the settings at the top right corner. Now, out of these options, you want to tap on the account security option. Here, scroll down and on the bottom you will find delete your Temu account option. Go ahead and tap on that. Here it says that you're about to submit a request to permanently delete your account. If you proceed, Temu will delete the data and content in your account in accordance with the applicable law and as described in the privacy policy. So go through all of this, and if you want to permanently delete your Temu account, check this circle, then tap on the continue option. Now, you will have to select a reason for why you want to delete your account. Select whichever reason you want. Then tap on the continue option. Now, it will ask you to verify your identity. You can use any of these three options to verify that. Once your account has been verified, the account deletion request will be successfully submitted. Now, you will be automatically signed out of your account and it will be deleted in 7 business days. If you wish to cancel the request, you may sign in to cancel the request and keep your account within these 7 days. Now tap on the confirm option, and with this, you will be able to delete your Temu account. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.